Si Tita Noneng yung parang kina-consider ko talaga na second nanay sa church. Naalala ko kahit na from primary to youth, pag wala yung mama ko or wala yung mga kapatid ko sa church, basta alam ko nandiyan si Tita Noneng, parang assured ako na safe ako. May mag-aalaga sa akin. Pag may nangyayari, makakauwi ako safe. So thank you, Tita Noneng, for always being there, being yung second mom ko.
Tita Noneng, napakabait na tao. Very sweet, lovable, and generous sa amin. Sa aming mga pamangkin niya.
Well, si Tita Noneng, siya yung one of the Mother's Award. Best Mother's Award, actually. Yung tipong mararamdaman mo na nanay talaga. Yung aalagaan ka, asikasuhin ka, susuportahan ka talaga as in. Walang questions. And I could consider na best seminary teacher ko ever. Lagi ko yung sinasabi.
Para sa akin, ikaw ang tita ng mga tita. Sa lahat ng tawag kong tita na hindi related sa family namin, ikaw ang tita ng mga tita. Kasi bata pa lang kami. Nandyan ka na. Ikaw rin ang seminary teacher namin. I think up until last year, seminary teacher ka pa din. And until now, nag-assist ka pa rin sa youth ngayon.
Si Tita Noneng yung aking very inspiring and passionate seminary teacher when I was in youth.
Tita Noneng is my favorite teacher, our greatest tita. Tita Noneng is the person that I always look up to. Siguro hanggang pagtanda ko. Siguro hanggang magka-family na din ako.
Well, Tita Noneng in my life is, she has a huge impact sa buhay ko and influence. She is like my second mom. Growing up in the church, in our youth days, she's the one who's always parang, kasi magkakaedad kami nila ng mga anak niya, so parang siya yung laging nagdidisiplina sa amin. And I did really appreciate that kasi she was the one who helped us in our youth days na makapagstay sa straight and narrow path. And through her diligence sa pagsaway sa amin, kasi sobrang pasaway talaga yung mga anak niya, medyo nadadamay ako.
Si Tita Noneng, siya yung rin ang best friend ko. Siya rin yung maging seminary teacher ko. And second mom.
I think maraming magsasabi na si Tita Noneng ay ang seminary teacher namin. Pero para sa akin, si Tita Noneng, para na rin siyang tumayong nanay para sa amin, especially sa aming mga close friends si Sarah.
Kasi si Tita Noneng, ano yan sweet talaga. Bait. Sobrang bait niya. Napaka sincere ng love niya sa amin. Kumbaga, tinuri niya kami as parang mga anak talaga.
Yung binila niya ako ng Rusty Lopez na yung heels, hindi siya heels wedge, yun. Kasi it was my first time. Sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga yan kasi nasira yung shoes ko before and then she bought me na, hala, grabe, naiyak talaga ako nun. So, hindi ko talaga yan malilimutan. Material man, and for me, parang siguro sa iba mababa, but it means so much talaga sa akin.
Sobrang hindi ko makakalimutan yung time na nagbabakasyon kami dyan, nung mga youth pa kami, nila Arian, Ate Kat. Tapos, may one time noon na kakaroon ng swimming or ward outing yon ng mga youth pa kami. Tapos, sinamahan mo kami sa department store na bumili ng mga swimsuit. So, parang ever since na mga bata pa kami, hindi rin talaga ako nagsusuot nun. Pero, you encourage us na kaya namin yan and we are beautiful on our own way.
I think pinaka-random, pero medyo favorite memory ko kay Tita Noneng is, dati nung nag-tour siya ng seminary, meron siya yung sticky clay or sticky putty na ginagamit niya pang dikit ng pictures. Tapos naalala ko pa nga parang medyo na-miss ko pa yun kasi by 3rd year, 4th year high school, techie na si Tita Noneng. Nagpa-PowerPoint na siya, hindi niya na ginagamit yung, yung clay. Pero sa kanya ko yung nakilala. Sorry, Tita Noneng, sobrang random lang. Pero sa inyo ko yung nakilala. And then, I think hindi ko makakalimutan. Obviously, pag nalala ko pag Christmas or paminsan-minsan pag may special occasion sa seminary, magbe-bake siya. And yung parang siyang white chocolate or white bars na may chocolate chips. super sarap. Actually, minsan kinikrave ko pa rin siya, pero hindi ko naman alam kung saan ko makukuha dito.
Naalala ko dati, like one of the core memories I had with her was when we were practicing scripture chase sa bahay nila, and then biglang nag-brown out. So, lahat kami, parang, siguro kahit si Tita Noneng, no, she was expecting us to stop at that time. Pero, naalala ko before that, during that time, we were overwhelmed by the Spirit and we wanted to continue. And so we did. And naalala ko pa noon si Tita Noneng at saka si President Antonio. Silang dalawa yung taga-ilaw namin. And it was really very spiritual. That experience was very spiritual for all of us, I believe.
Hindi ko makakalimutan na ginawa para sa akin is tinulungan mo ako makagraduate sa seminary. And si Maki indirectly tumulong. So kahit alam naman natin yan, kahit alam nakakalam na.
Ang mga hindi ko malilimutan na bagay siguro na nagawa sa akin ni Tita Noneng during our youth days, kapag nagbabakasyon kami sa Pasay noon, nararamdaman talaga namin yung excitement and happiness kasi iba talaga yung pag-welcome ng family nila sa amin noon. Super love na love namin si Tita Noneng noon kasi ganun din yung pinaparamdam niya sa amin noon nila Kathleen and Jessica kapag nandun kami sa Pasay noon.
I think, madami kasi, pero isa sa pinaka naalala ko, yung tinulungan niya ako mag-prepare for mission. Hindi niya ako ng mga advice and everything. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung lagi akong welcome sa bahay nila. Like, lalo na ng pandemic. Like, parang every day na ako andun. And pupunta ako sa Sarah, tapos pag nakita niya ako sa labas ng pintuan nila, sabi niya, Chas, pasok! So parang, para sa akin, na nakaka-touch yun and sobrang masarap sa feeling yung ganun na merong isang tao na talagang welcoming, hindi lang sa ganung bagay, pero like sa lahat ng bagay. Sana. And, yeah.
Isang bagay na hindi ko malilimutan ginawa ni Tita Noneng for me is for being my seminary teacher. The best seminary teacher. Dati kasi may time or may year na ako yung naiiba yung schedule sa amin. And pang tanghali to gabi yung schedule ko sa school. And yung seminary class namin is gabi. So, most probably talaga hindi ako makaka-attend. And I was thinking that time na mag-stop na lang sa seminary. But Tita Noneng decided na hindi dapat ako magtigil sa seminary. And si Tita Noneng, tinuruan niya ako mag-isa. Like ako lang, like nagtuturo siya sa akin sa umaga and then nagtuturo din siya sa gabi sa mga iba kong classmates sa seminary para lang hindi ako mag-stop sa seminary. And sa pagtuturo sa akin ni Tita Noneng na yun, si Tita Noneng pa yung pumupunta sa akin sa bahay. Tuwing umaga, maaga pa yun. Tapos magkukumute siya kasi medyo malayo yung bahay niya sa amin. So mag-jeep pa siya. Tapos umaga pa yung gigising siya maaga.
Ito yung time nung nanalo ko ng BTS concert. And I'm sure nalaman lang ni Tita Noneng to through Sarah. Pero kaagad niya akong sinabihan na, congratulations, Pea. I'm happy for you. Malaking bagay sa akin yun kasi nung time na yun, maraming bitter na manonood ako ng BTS concert.
What are the things that I won't forget about Tita Noneng is siguro yung kindness and love that she has for others. And especially, ako appreciate ko yung respect and love that she has for my mom and kay Papa. Kay Mama as her teacher and of course kay Papa as partners nila, di ba? Partners yung mga tawagin nila. And I hope, Tita Noneng, you always feel how much important you are or how much we love you. Especially ako in my life, sabi ko nga, you have a huge impact and influence sa akin. And I hope I was able to let you feel that on my wedding day. I don't know if you still remember, but I asked you to be part of the program and, you know, magkaroon tayo ng mother and son dance. Kasi nga, I'm really, really grateful. And you were my second mom talaga, especially sa church.
Gusto kong pasalamatan si Tita Noneng sa kanyang generosity, sa kanyang pag-share ng kanyang testimony, and for always being supportive sa lahat ng endeavors namin, may it be in church or may it be personal. We can always count on her to cheer us on.
I love you, Tita Noneng. Thank you po talaga sa lahat for being such a wonderful role model, wonderful seminary teacher.
Things that will be forever grateful is talagang yung kindness, tita. Yung pagmamahal na meron ka sa amin. Even hindi ako nakagraduate ng seminary, joke lang, tita.
Pinasasalamatan ko is how I learn from your example, how you can manage to organize and cook for your family. And super appreciated ko na pinag-bake mo kami ng brownies, napakasarap na brownies. And sobrang naging malaking impact din yun sa akin kasi myself, I wanted to learn kung paano mag-bake. And also, na-inspire ako doon sa ginawa mo. Also, I'm grateful for yung mga good example mo para sa amin.
Siyempre yung mga teachings talaga niya. And yung love niya for teaching. Kasi by showing and giving yung love na meron siya while teaching sa amin during our youth. Actually, even naging leaders na kami, talagang grabe, hindi mo mararamdaman na nag-iba. Ramdam mo pa rin na yung love niya, yung support niya, lahat talaga, kahit saang aspeto, talaga nandyan siya. Nakakataba ng puso yun, no? Sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam na merong someone na ahead of you, na ganun. Thank you, Tita Noneng. I love you so much.
Papasalamat ako dahil sa pagbabakasyon namin noon, naging very, very close kami ni Tita Noneng. At kapag umuwi sila dito, hindi pwedeng hindi kami magchikahan at kamustahan.
She's really like a good instrument of God's love and yung spirit. So, something yon na pinagpapasalamat sa kanya. She's very passionate with her calling. She's really a good seminary teacher. And yung mga strategies niya before, gustong-gusto ko yon. Talagang very prepared siya, very spiritual. And I am grateful that I was one of the recipients of that. I was able to witness that firsthand. And sobrang natutuwa ako kasi until now, of course, naalala ko yung mga ganun. And I'm sure like my seminary classmates before, sigurado ako naaalala rin po nila yon.
Tita Noneng, thank you for everything. Thank you for raising a good daughter because syempre, kung hindi dahil sa'yo, hindi ko magiging best friend si Sarah. I know it's not for Sarah itong nasusuta, pero I'm just grateful na isang mabuting nanay sa kanya. And nakikita ko na maganda talaga yung pagpapalang sa kanya. Really grateful for Tita Noneng sa lahat ng mga tinuro mo sa akin, sa lahat ng mga examples na pinakita mo sa akin and sa amin lahat ng mga youth and, na naging YSA, na nagkasama lahat ng tao sa ward at sa mga kung sino pang mga natulungan mo sa church and sa community.
Sobrang thankful ko kay Tita Noneng noon kasi dahil sa kanya nakatapos ako sa seminary, nakagraduate ako sa seminary. And yun din yung bagay na pinapasalamat ko bukod sa genuine love ni Tita Noneng para sa family ko. Dahil kay Tita Noneng, I was also able to gain my own testimony sa church, sa gospel ni Jesus Christ. Pinapasalamatan ko din na hindi ako sinukuha ni Tita Noneng that time. Dahil nakagraduate ako sa seminary, I was also able to surpass yung mga challenges ko sa buhay dahil sa mga principles na natutunan ko sa tinuro ni Tita Noneng.
So, thank you for being gentle with us and treating us like your own children. Also, yung brownies, yung cookies, yung spaghetti, yung pandesal na may liver spread, yan, at marami pang iba.
I wish you all the best. I wish you for more birthdays to come, good health and happiness, and that you may continue to be like a part of the Lord's work, and that you may continue to be blessed as you are a great blessing to me personally, to your family, to my family, to the entire world. So thank you so much po. Happy birthday! We love you, Tita.
Siguro my birthday message, tita, is continue to be a blessing to others. Magkaroon ka ng malakas na pangangatawan and more birthdays to come as always. And of course, that you may receive the blessings na mga nakahanda para sa iyo and your family. We're always here for you, and ingat palagi. And I hope you're enjoying your day. Love you. Bye, and happy birthday.
Birthday message ko kay tita. Happy 60th birthday, Tita Noneng. Alam mo naman na you have a special spot in my heart. Love na love kita. Alam mo yan. Wish ko lang sa'yo sana palagi kayong healthy po ni Uncle Raul, and just enjoy lang, tita. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, napakadami ng mga nangyayaring sakuna sa paligid natin. So, sana mag-ingat po kayo palagi. And I know na palagi po kayong ginagabayan ni Heavenly Father. Happy birthday, tita. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Noneng. Enjoy your day. Tara ngayon.
For my birthday wish for you is really sana marami pa kayong opportunity as a family to spend time together, make memories, and really health is wealth. Sana continue to be healthy, continue to have energy to spend time kasama yung mga apo, and hopefully you have a very wonderful, memorable birthday this year. Happy birthday po. Love you. Mwah.
And so, happy birthday, Tita Noneng. And I love you. And I hope na mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. And, yeah, happy birthday. Thank you for everything.
So, tita, you're 60 na. Ayun, I so love you. You know how much I love you. Every time na mag-birthday ka, I always message you privately. And I always tell you na how grateful I am na ikaw yung naging seminary teacher namin during our youth. And it means so much to me na nadala ko siya hanggang sa ngayon. And yung mga teachings mo, yung love mo, nararamdaman ko pa rin siya. And salamat kasi kahit naging leaders na nga kami ng mga youth before, andyan ka pa rin na sinusuportahan kami, tinutulungan kami. I can't imagine yung life, yung world without Tita Noneng. Uy, grabe, no? Ang saya-saya lang. And I hope na mas sumaba po yung buhay nyo. Syempre, 60 pa lang tayo, pero hindi naman halata yan, tita. Don't worry. You're still young and beautiful. Healthy pa din. And sana mas, kung ano man yung wish nyo po, both temporal, spiritual, sana ma-fulfill pa din. Happy 60th birthday, and sana ma-enjoy niyo po yung day and yung surprise na ginawa for you ni Dang. Ayan lang. I love you so much, tita. Happy birthday. See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, and I hope you will have the greatest birthday of all now that you're turning 60. So, happy birthday to you. And of course, to Uncle Raul. Thank you so much for the love, effort, and kindness you have shown to me and to my family. I love you, Auntie Noneng, Uncle Raul. Bye-bye. Happy birthday!
And ang message ko for Tita Noneng, I hope na mas continue lang si Tita maging healthy. I wish na mas marami pa siyang blessings na ma-receive sa buhay niya. Kasi I know na deserve talaga ni Tita Noneng yan. And wish ko din na makatin siya sa kasal ko. Charot. Ay, joke lang. Pero hopefully, yan, Tita Noneng, I love you. And thank you, Tita Noneng, for loving me, loving my family. I will always be grateful sa love and sa teachings na tinuro niyo po sa akin. Mahal na mahal kita, Tita Noneng, and see you every Sunday. Bye-bye, I love you.
Continue to enjoy life and enjoy your senior citizen privileges. Happy birthday.
Hello, Nori. I'm making this video to greet you a happy birthday. You're pretty much 60. Wow. 60 na rin pala ako. Kung 60 ka na. Anyway, Nori, you've been a very, very good friend. High school pa lang tayo, magkakaibigan na tayo, and look, we're 60 now and we're still friends. That's how good and that's how stable our friendship are. I wish you good health. Mag-reduce ka na. I wish you happiness, more happiness for you and your family. in your birthday. I pray to God na tumanda tayo, na magkakasama, and our friendship are still as strong as ever. Happy birthday, Nori.
Hello, Mama! Happy birthday! I know na masayang-masaya ka ngayong araw na to. And I just want to let you know that I'm very grateful to have you as my mother-in-law. Mapagmahal, napakaganda, lahat na ata nasa iyo, Ma. So, I hope na you will always be happy and nandito lang kami palagi sa iyo. I love you! We love you, Mama! Happy birthday!
Hi, Ma! Happy 60th birthday! Meron lang akong 3 wishes para sa'yo. Una is maging healthy ka. Patuloy lang na maging healthy. Iwasan na yung soft drinks para laging malusog. Second, happiness. Wala akong ibang hinahangad kung hindi maging happy ka. Happy kayo ni Papa na patuloy na maging strong yung relationship ninyo. Habang tumatanda, kahit pumuputi na ang buhok ninyong dalawa, patuloy kayo na nagmamahalan at maging masaya. And yung pangatlo is humaba pa ang buhay niyo ni Papa. Na magkasama, na masaya, na malusog. Kasi you deserve to travel. Kasi alam ko na yun yung isa sa nagpapatibay na relasyon ninyo ni Papa. Lagi-lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang ako para sa'yo. I'm just 1 call away, 1 chat away. Kahit 5 hours yung difference natin, lagi akong online para sa'yo. Lagi mong tatandaan na nagpapasalamat ako na ikaw ang mama ko. Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng examples na ipinakita mo sa church at bilang mama. Kasi hindi naman ako magiging ganito kung hindi dahil sa'yo. Hindi naman ako magkakaroon ng inspirasyon at motivation to become a good mother kung hindi dahil sa'yo. Kung hindi ko nakikita yung mga bagay na ginagawa ko ngayon sa mga anak ko. I love you, Mama. Happy birthday. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola. Yes. Lola? Say Lola? Happy birthday! I love you! Bye! See you! Mama, happy birthday po. Happy 60th birthday. I enjoy your day po. I love you! You say I love you?
I love you!
Bye-bye!
Hi Ma, happy birthday. Message ko lang sa'yo Ma, tandaan mo naman na mahal ka namin, ng mga bata, Diana, Siri at Millie. Dito lang kami sa'yo. Maraming salamat Ma sa mga sacrifices mo para sa amin magkakapatid, para sa mga apo mo and sa mga in-laws mo. And tandaan mo palagi Ma na very blessed ka dahil sa pagiging good mother mo sa amin, good lola and good wife para kay Papa. And enjoy your day Ma. Always remember na no matter what happens, dito lang kami ng mga bata. And tandaan mo palagi na mahal ka namin. Pagpatuloy mo lang Ma yung service, yung ginagawa mo para sa church, para sa mga kapatid mo and para sa amin. Alam ko yun yung pinaka greatest blessing na na-achieve mo every day and of course sa buhay mo ngayon. Maraming salamat talaga Ma sa binibigay mo sa amin sa church, no? Lumaki kami ng mais church and of course nagkaroon kami ng family and dahil din sa iyo yun. Maraming salamat Ma and happy birthday ulit. We love you so much Ma.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Mama Bear!
Oh, wait.
No, me first.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Lola Bear!
Okay, si Eden na po yung...
So, what's your message for Lola Bear?
I will give him a present and then I will give him a
princess? You will sing Lola a princess? Okay, tell Lola. Lola, I will
get the just with the princess with the crown.
Oh! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Okay.
Lola Bear!
Bobby Bill.
Happy birthday, Mama! We love you!
We love you, Mama.
We love you, Mama.
Oh, yes!
Stay healthy.
Kailangan mag-exercise ka, Ma, kasi hindi ka yata pumapayat na eh. Pataba ka ng pataba eh. And then,
see you soon.
see you soon. Kita tayo sa yung 60th birthday celebration.
Hi, Mama. Happy birthday. I think 60th birthday mo na. So, pares na kayo ni Papang mga senior citizen. Siguro, for your birthdays, actually, same din naman kay Papa. I hope you would enjoy your new stage of parenthood pa ba or life. Okay, being senior citizen. I hope na all the goodness and efforts that you have done around the people around you, sa family, sa church members, kahit kanino, it will come back tenfold sa inyo. So, yun lang yung wish ko, and I hope then na of course good health, humaba yung buhay mo and ni Papa, para mas ma-enjoy niyo yung life niyo together, and then having apos and more apos. I think magdadagdag pa si si Diana tsaka si Kenny para magkalalaki. Pero kami naman ni Bimboy tapos na. But yeah, ikaw, Kara, may sabihin ka kay Lola?
Happy birthday, Lola. Hope you have a long life and thank you for taking care of us and giving us ice.
What? Again!
Happy birthday, Lola. I hope you and Lola have a long life and also
Ano?
and thank you for taking care of us and watching over us when our parents are away, and also for giving us ice pop.
Naku, ice pops ya. Lola ha, puro ice pops yung mga bata Sumuko na kayo kay Lolo. Hindi, joke. Yeah, seriously ma, happy 60th birthday. Let's enjoy, and we hope na your 60th birthday party would be one of the core memories of your life. Especially, kompleto tayong lahat. Okay? So, enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Love you, Lola.
Hi, Ma! Happy 60th birthday! Well, kayo ni Papa, happy birthday na rin. Isama ko na rin, Happy 60th birthday sa inyong dalawa. Maraming salamat sa support nyo sa family ko, sa aming magkakapatid, sa family natin lahat, sa pagiging good example ninyo towards success, Talagang we will cherish lahat ng mga panahon na magkakasama tayo, especially sa family natin. Thank you then for being a good grandmother and grandfather sa mga apo ninyo. Alam ko naman, nakikita namin na talagang, kahit gaano sila kadami na ngayon, you see to it na lahat sila is na-attendan nyo sa mga concerns nila, sa mga bagay na nakakasama nyo sila, talagang minamaximize nyo yung oras nyo with your apos. Ganon din sabi magkakapatid, mga in-laws. Well, sabi nga nila, kung may isang wish lang talaga tayo na gusto mangyari and we can live forever, yun din sanang hilingin ko na sana hanggang 100 or 200 years old pa kayo ni Papa at lahat tayo magkakasama-sama. Pero alam naman natin na hindi po pwede yun. There's no such thing na ganon. Pero yun na lang hiling ko, na magkaroon kayo ng good health kayo ni Papa, at magsama pa tayo ng mahabang panahon na makita nyo pa yung maging apo ninyo sa apo ninyo, parang ganun. Okay, as long as na healthy tayo, possible yung mga yan. Thank you, Papa and Mama. I love you so much. We love you so much. Me and my family love you so much, and we're here for you to take care of you. Sabi nga nila din, iba, pag matanda na, pinagpapasapasahan niya ng mga anak, Pero sa akin, welcome kay Lucky, Papa, Mama, na
magstay sa pamilya ko. No, dahil tinuruan nyo naman kami na hindi maging ganon, kundi tinuruan nyo kami maging matulungin sa kapwa namin kapatid at especially sa inyo, no, bilang mga magulang namin. So, mahal na mahal ko kayo again and happy 60th birthday.
Hi, sweetie. Happy birthday. You know, I think of myself extremely lucky. You know why? Because you choose to spend your life with me. You are the best decision I've ever made because I marry you, you marry me, and you're everything I love about myself. Parang nasa iyo na lahat. Minsan nagtatalo tayo, but deep inside, you're everything about me. Every day with you is special to me, but others remember how wonderful you are today as well. Alam ko, minsan sinusungitan kita, same as you, sinusungitan mo rin ako. But you know, I still see charming and beautiful woman I fell in love. You know, naalala ko kasi nung dalaga ka pa, binata ako, talagang nakita ko yung beauty within yourself, na it is my greatest wish for you to spend the rest of our lives together. Sweetie, I wish you a very happy birthday. I hope I can bring you as much joy as you bring to me. Wala akong ibang wish kundi yung makasama ka habang panahon. Not only this life, even after life. I love you, sweetie. I wish you a very, very happy birthday. I love you.